Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily empty the dirty water tank in your dock on your iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the dock. As you guys can see, here we have the dock and we open it by pulling this. Now, as you guys can see, here we have it opened. And now, don't be mistaken, because we have the water drop here and here. But remember that this is for the clean water and this is for the dirty one. So now, what we can do is grab it here. And if we want to open it, we need to turn it on the other side, 180 degrees. And now, we can open it through this. So let me do that. And as you guys can see, here we will have our dirty water that we need to put in the sink or whatever we want. And now that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.